Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Volkswagen Jetta. First, always prioritize safety by parking your car on a level, firm surface. Gather your necessary equipment, including a reliable jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and wheel chocks. Understanding the correct jacking points is crucial to prevent damage to your vehicle's undercarriage. We will cover these specific locations to ensure a safe and effective lift. Let's get started with the preparation steps. Before lifting, always engage your parking brake and place wheel chocks securely behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This prevents any unintended movement. Refer to your Volkswagen Jetta's owner's manual for the exact jacking points, as these can vary slightly by model. It is also a good practice to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you intend to remove while the car is still on the ground. This makes removal much easier later. Once prepared, position your jack directly under the specified jacking point. Slowly and steadily raise the vehicle, ensuring the jack remains stable and the car lifts evenly. Continue lifting until the tire you are working on is completely clear of the ground, allowing ample space for your work. Immediately after lifting, place your jack stands under the vehicle's frame rails, adjacent to the jack, for maximum stability. Lower the car gently onto the jack stands, then remove the jack. After completing your work, ensure all tools are clear from underneath the vehicle and that any components you worked on are securely fastened. Carefully raise the car slightly with the jack, remove the jack stands, and then slowly lower the Volkswagen Jetta completely to the ground. Once down, tighten your lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. Always perform a final visual inspection before driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.